Yeah, how are you supposed to get the ball?
Okay, come this way. Come on.
Okay, here we go.
So,
Okay.
we've been called out by
Oh, no, wait.
our friends.
Hold on.
We've been called out by our friends down the street, Zion's Pharmacy, for this bucket challenge, and we'd like to, I guess, go for that challenge. We also want to call out. Do we say it now?
Yeah.
So we're going to call out after this is done. We're going to call out Harry Barber, James Holland, and Lisa Church in the BLM office. Be nice.
Be nice! Oh my goodness!